Hospital Pharmacy. I am a lecturer of Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research for Girls, Swami Chincholi. My topic name is Hospital Pharmacy. It is related to the hospital and clinical pharmacy. First, the hospital pharmacy definition. A department in which the drug are produced, preserved, stored, compounded, acid, manufacturing, dispensed, and packed and distributed to inpatient and outpatient by the professionally competent and legally qualified. That is one definition of the hospital pharmacy, and other definition is a hospital pharmacy. It is a receive drug and medicine and other medical supply, store them, dispense them to inpatient and outpatient, and many have a manufacturing extension to the manufacturer, pharmaceutical and parental in birth. That is the meaning of hospital pharmacy. These are the receive the drugs and medicines to other medical supplier, that is the wholesaler, distributor also included in the other medical supplier. These are the receive the drug, different medicines such as the tablet, capsules also received in the other medical supplier. Then the store them, these are the store in large amount or short amount, and dispense them inpatient and outpatient. Inpatient that is a admitted patient. These patients are the chronic diseases are found, and outpatient is a acute diseases are found. These are the limited times to the inpatient. These are the limited time in the hospitals, and many have a manufacturing extension. Many have different manufacturing extension in the to the manufacturing pharmaceutical and parental in bulk. That is the definition of hospital pharmacy. These are the definition for important for the syllabus. Then the next function of the hospital pharmacy. These are the important point in the hospital pharmacy. These are questions. What is the function of the hospital pharmacy? Then how to work hospital pharmacy. These are two questions in the syllabus. First is a forecast of demand, that is a provide the demand of the patients. Then the next is a selection of reliable supplier. Selection, that is a supplier selection of the reliable supplier, that is the meaning of the different medicine can be selected and you can purchase this medicine. Prescribing specification of the required medicament, that is a prescribed medication you can purchase this. Then manufacturing of sterile and non-sterile preparation. Manufacturing sterile or non-sterile preparation. Sterile preparation, that is a injection or large volume parenteral or small volume parenterals. Then next is a non-sterile preparation, that is a tablet or tablet capsules included in non-sterile manufacturing. Sterile manufacturing, it is a completely remove the microorganism, and non-sterile sterile preparation, it is a limited preparation can be sterile. Then next is a maintenance of the manufacturing record. Different record can be maintenance. It is a main function of the hospital pharmacy, such as the manufacturing process and manufacturing method, also different record can be maintained. Then the next quality control of purchase of manufacturing of product. Quality, it is quality maintained and purchase of the manufacturing product. Next, distribution of medicament in the world, that is a distribute the medicament. Different medicine can be distributed. Then next, dispense of the medicament to the outpatients or inpatients. Next, drug information source in the hospitals. Drug information source, that is a provide the different information to the inpatient or outpatient. Then next, center for the drug utilization study. Center for the Drug Utilization Study. Next आहे implemented recommendation of the Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee. Next, pharmacy counseling. Pharmacy counseling, it is a very important part in the hospital pharmacy, because the different pharmacy council, it is a provide the different information about the drug, medications, then disease, also the all information provide the patients. Then next, maintaining liaison between the medical, nursing and patients. Next, function of the hospital, other function of the hospital pharmacy service. First, that is an other part is the dispensing of the drug, chemical and pharmaceutical preparations, that is dispense the drug, chemicals and pharmaceutical preparation. Next is the filling and labeling of the drug container. Filling and labeling of the drug container, that is tablets or small volume parenteral or large volume parenteral. Next, the inspection of all pharmaceutical supplier, that is the inspections can be evaluation the all pharmaceutical suppliers. Next, the dispensing of the all narcotic drug and alcohol and the maintenance of the perpetual inventory of them. Dispensing all narcotic drugs and alcohols, maintain the record of this narcotic drug, because the narcotic drug is a X schedule. Then the next is the specification of the quality of drug, chemical, antibiotic, biological and pharmaceutical supplier used in the treatment of patients. Then next is a source to the get the above product. Next, to maintain the satisfactory system of the record and book keeping of the above product. Next, to maintain the adequate control over the requisition and dispensing of the all drug and pharmaceutical supplier. In short, can you say what is the function of the hospital pharmacy? These are the important questions. The answer is the question: maintain the record of the all pharmacy, maintain the all record of the pharmacy as well as medicines, drugs, other also part included in the hospitals, maintain the record. Then next, the patient counseling, it is a main important function of the hospital pharmacy. Next, all manufacturing sterile and non-sterile preparations, that is the main important function. It is a then next is the narcotic drugs and alcoholic related drugs can be maintained the records. These are the function of the hospital pharmacy. Next, objective of hospital pharmacy. Next, first objective, to the professionalize the functioning of the pharmaceutical service in hospitalize. Professionalize the functioning pharmaceutical service in the hospital. The pharmacy, it is a professional course. Then the pharmaceutical service provide the main function, it is pharmaceutical provide to all hospitals. Then next, to ensure the availability of the required medications at the affordable cost at the required time. Next, to the plant, organize and implemented the policy of the pharmacy. It is a hospital pharmacy can be planned and organized. Different part also included in the hospital pharmacy, that is the physician, nursing, pharmacist, surgeons also part included in the hospital pharmacy, that is the organization of the hospital. These can be implemented different policies of the pharmacy. For example, Sahyadri Hospital can be different policy also provide to the all staff, that is a physician, nursing or pharmacist. These are the also all medical free checkups or different disease included in the patients, then the free of cost. These are the treatment, these are the main policy in hospital. Then next, to maintain the to perform functioning of management of the material, purchases, storage of essential items. To perform function management, different functions can be managed. It is a main functions: material, purchasing, storage, essential item. Material can be stores. First, material can be checked, all tested evolution of the material. Quality and quantity test can be important for the material. For example, you can purchase the clove or turmeric. You can evaluate the primary test of the turmeric or clove. Turmeric, it is a yellow color. It is the identification test of the physical identification test of the turmeric. Next, purchasing. It is a price should be right price, right times. Right price, it is a important in purchasing. That is a purchasing different purchasing price in market. So accurate the purchasing. Then storage. It is a storage store in a well closed container. Proper label, proper packaging also important, essential for the all items. Next, to maintain the strictly inventory all items received in the issues. All inventory controls should be important. Then the issues, all record, that is the purchasing, supply, store, all record included in the inventory control. Then next, to consult the patient's medical staff, nursing and other involved patient care on the uses of the drug, possible side effect, toxicity, adverse drug effect, drug interaction, etc. To consult pharmacy, it is an important part, that is a concern with the patients. Especially patient can be confidence increase, then medical staff correlated or help to the other medical staff, nursing and other inventory in the patient's care. To uses of the drug, possible side effect, toxicity, adverse drug effect, that is the effect of the toxicity. Different drug you can give, then the different toxicity can be found. Many drugs also combination you can give, then the different toxicity can be found, that is the side effect or adverse drug effect, drug interactions, etc. Next is to serve the sources of information on drug utilizations. To serve sources of information of drug utilization. Next, to manufacturing drug, large and small volume parenteral, which are critical use in patients. You can manufacturing drug different large or small volume parenteral, such as the large volume parenteral, it is a more than 1000 ml or 100 ml. That is a small volume parenteral, it is a less than 100 ml. It is called as the small volume parenterals. Or large volume parenteral, it is a more than 100 ml, that is called as the large volume parenteral. Large volume parenteral example, it is a saline. Small volume parenteral example is a injections, which are the critical use in a patient. Next, to participate in implement the decision of the pharmacy and therapeutic committee. Pharmacy therapeutic committee, it is an important part, and pharmacy hospital formulary system. These are the two organization included in the hospital pharmacy. These are the implementation in decision of the hospital related. Then next, to organize and participate in research programs, education programs. These are the different organization and different participant, different, such as the research oriented work. You can all hospital pharmacists included in education programs, research programs, other programs related to the health. Other objective of the hospital pharmacy, to the professionalize and functioning of the pharmaceutical service in the hospital, to the contribute to the overall objective of the hospital, which is a community center. Important questions in the syllabus: what is the objective of the hospital pharmacy? Then how to work hospital pharmacy, main aim of the hospital pharmacy. These are the different questions related to the objective of hospital pharmacy. Next, objective of the hospital pharmacy: to the contribute to the overall objective of the hospital, which is the community center. Contribute the overall objective of the hospital and community center. Next is to ensure the availability of the right patients, right medication at the right time and right dose at a minimum possible cost. It is an important objective of the hospital. You ensure the availability, right patients, right medications, right patient. The hospital pharmacist main important work to the right patients, give to the right medications at the right timings and right dose at a minimum possible cost. Provide the minimum possible cost, that is a minimum possible cost in the generic medications. Generic medications, it is a smallest very low cost of these medications. Next, to take upon itself the functioning of material management, purchasing, storage, inventory control and flawless drug distribution system. Next, to serve as a counseling department not only to the unlimited uses of the drug but also to the medical staff and the nursing staff by the updatation them on dosage regimen by the giving instruction regarding food, to the act as a data bank on drug utilization, to make hospital self sufficient in the respect of critical drugs, to the act profile center and cost center in the hospital. In the hospitals, act as a profit center and cost center in the hospitals. Profit center, that is a very large amount of the profits centers. Then the cost center is the correlated to the cost, maintain the cost of the hospital centers. The pharmacy PTC can be work the cost center of the hospitals. Then next is to participate the research project. Why the participate on research project in hospital pharmacy? Because the different project can be done in the research center, such as the example is a COVID-19. Different project can be done. That is a example. It is a what is the diagnosis of the COVID-19, then how the medications of the COVID-19. These are the research project. Allopathy medicine can be used in COVID-19. These